The great woman finish. Brain where they go give her for head. They carry the brain, put her for bum bum. Yes. Yes, madam. Hello, madam. Hello.
What is it? What's the problem? What is it?
No verse, ma. Now that time when you come out here in the morning, as you come here in the morning with that small boy, when you are now follow come. So immediately you finish from the room. The cleaners where they clean the room can't enter. As they go enter, come out. They can't carry the pants. Come and say you forget them under the pillow. So as they come out, I tell them say may they keep them. Say I know you. So because you it's almost like all your life is in the hotel. So everything where they do in this life will remain. Your normal routine for hotel with the small boys. So I tell them say make they keep them. Even this pants I know say na your own as the talker. I say make I help you keep them.
Sorry, Oga, na me they call small boy.
What thing you be before? Eh? What thing you be a babola?
I don't understand.
You be a big Kubana.
Mama, na me they talk to
Call you would chief priest.
Calm down, let me understand.
Excuse me, stop shouting, Oga. Okay, let's assume I forgot something. Can't you just wrap it very well and keep? You must you expose it like this?
I should wrap your pants and keep. You wrap and keep. You wrap and keep. No, you will come out the pants to throw away my Bobby Hakadino, Kibri. A sweet mother like you, where we say your children supposed to be proud of you. You carry your children now, party her from hotel to hotel. You wrap and well.
Excuse me, point of correction. I did not carry your child.
Eh?
I did not carry your child. This guy now you're looking at is not a baby. Are you a baby?
I'm not a baby.
Are you a small boy?
Mama, I'm not a small boy. Mama.
Oh, my darling.
Mama. Okay, but mama?
Yeah.
Okay, you call her mama, B? That is what she's supposed to answer in your hand. Mama. That mama where you call her now, what is she supposed to be? And not the other way around. Only when one person forget mama, you know how to play mama. See she call you mama. Still I heard what this is, but you don't do you anyhow. You know get to bomb go to bomb no come up for your body. So if you enter now, your mouth go open leg, carry up. You go enter where you came out from.
Okay, I don't like what you're doing. They put back for it no concern you. Are you not a security man?
I'm security. I am here to secure both lives and properties of this environment.
It's your business what I do with my mama. It's your business.
It is my business what you do with your mama. Shameless boy.
That is not your business. Please, and for your please let me have it. Let me have it because next time when you get somebody's property, do the right thing, hand it over to the reception. It is not even your duty to handle things like this.
Hey.
Or if you must be kind, you be kind to the latter. Wrap it very, very well and keep. And next time, don't remind me that my sugar boy.
But Mama, hold on. You said you are bringing other people.
No, don't mind him. You know this one.
I thought I'm the only one you said.
You are the only one, sweetheart.
And you agree?
You are the only one.
Shameless 9 months. You are the only person. I'm going to match him. I should rap. If you rap it, you go on your rapper. You go to pack and a rap. You go be rap panty. Panty, mum. Come go rap them. I go rap my mama panty. Whether they take rap my mind, I go rap and keep for you. I'm ashamed of you. Madam, I'm ashamed. See this way they do with these small children. When small children, when you go guide, you decide say, give what up, mama, no, ma, what up, Chineke, what up with one again, beautiful girls where they go use and do something. Give what up with one and now wait till take a look at. You don't sleep. See, Tata, Gambia. Go and hustle. You see all this small money when they collect from sugar mommy. Things say, have you ever seen anybody where they do all this kind of life where they live, where they don't buy motor with the money, or build house, or marry, or become useful? So go and hustle and make money. When you make money, you be proud of yourself. But all these things where they give you, how much you go kick? Highest on 20,000. Zora go up and down black. One peg. Yeah, you didn't want the queen wine, the queen nigga. Hey, or probably again, you're with a towel white in Yaganolu. Your mama carry you come hotel. Yeah, shame on you. Got Muna enter go carry leg up for him. Got the head watch review. Go now, mama, go.
I'm ashamed of you.
I'm ashamed of you.
I'm ashamed of you. Always drinking paracetamol for another person's headache. Shame on you. It's none of your business. Idiot.
Muna go. Shameful generation. Idiot of idiot. Lekwe ihe obu n'azụ. Ewere ihe a ga-eji arụ ụlọ n'ọgwụ ike n'azụ gị buru ya. The brain where you supposed to get, you no get them. Raise your brain, buy ga nochi. Where funnel, buy ga brain gan nochi. You nonsense woman. Don't worry, I go there forget and I go come out again. Another person go. Yesterday on, you know, that boy cry go. I'm sure he's waiting for you somewhere. Today on, I don't know, maybe an ambulance they go use carry you come out. Why you have generator? I buy and guys, she will drain you or drain you. Oh, why you're not connected? He say if you put Bluetooth for ear, it don't make you a good mother. Like the worst mother. In fact, anything like you should not cross my path. Everybody should be careful. Oh. All these young people now say now life. This is not life. Oh. Tomorrow now they go say I too talk. In fact, I must hear your sound. Because the way they look you, your sound go there too dangerous.